Hey everybody, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video, and today I wanted to come on real quick to share a little haul that I did today from Hobby Lobby. And I was actually looking for the Tim Holtz clearance items, and they didn't have it on clearance yet. I'm hoping that they'll have it on clearance soon because I want to get some stuff. But I did get some things. They had a Paper Studio on sale, 40% off. Christmas, fall, or 40% off. Yeah. So anyway, so let me share. So in the bead section, I found these beads, and I don't know why I'm getting beads. I think these were just screaming. It almost looks like marble beads to me, and they're pink. And I didn't need to get two. I don't know why I got two. Anyway, they were 50% off, I believe. Yeah. So what, $2? Because it's $3.99, $2. Yeah, I don't know why I got beads. Anyway, I found this bamboo spoon, and I don't know, they're about what, 3 inches long? They're about 3.5, sort of, a little over 3.5. I just thought these were adorable. You could put this on an album, a baking album, which I'm gonna try and make one because I have all these Diana Markham stamps and stuff. I'm gonna see if I can make an album with that, and I want to hang this on the cover. That's my plan. I don't know if I'll do it. Then I found the chiffon ribbon in this color. I wanted this color. It's like a maroon color and a red. I think I have pink, the light pink one. So I got this, and it was 40% off. So it was like four something, I think. And then, so all the Paper Studio items were 40% off. I bought this because I think I have the Dollar Tree ones, but these are like in between sizes. So I kind of wanted a variety of them. So I got that. Hopefully I don't have these in my stash. I got the thank you stickers. I have the happy birthday ones and the Merry Christmas ones. And so I thought, okay, I'll get some thank you ones. I have to make some, I want to make some thank you cards. So I got that. And then I saw this one, and I love the vintage feel of these stickers. And these, I believe they're clear. They're clear stickers. So this would be cute. Like I have these, I just got this die. It's vintage photo slide, and I kind of I want to make something with this. So I thought that would be cute to add to them. And then lastly, I got this pack of chipboard ephemera or die cuts. Yeah, they're die cuts. 50 designs, 2 each. And then here is all you get in the back. Like I had the vintage one. I have a lot of the vintage. I bought like 2 packs of it. And then there was this other one that's kind of like a shabby one, I think. And then this is the other one that I do not have. And then I think I bought the other one that had like rainbows and sun, and I think I gave that one away to someone. And I just didn't get this one. So I'm loving the flowers and all the butterflies and the cute little birds in here. All different kinds of sunflowers. So it's a really good selection of everything. So I really am glad with that. So yeah, that is my little Hobby Lobby haul. Teeny tiny, not too much. I was being good. I was trying to be good. I really, really wanted the Tim Holt stuff. That's why I went in there just to see if I could snatch some things up from there. So maybe sometime this week I might find it. Who knows? So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week. It's my daughter's first day of college. She's, we dropped her off last week, but today is her first day in class. So I'm so nervous for her. I know she's nervous and she's excited and, but I'm just so happy for her. So anyway, thanks everyone. Have a great week. Hopefully I'll be back again with another video, a project share. I have so much things around my desk. I have things going. I have little boxes. I'm not sure if I showed. No, I didn't. I'll show it on my next video. But I had made a card using the ugly paper, but I did not video it. So, and I don't have my phone in my craft room. So yeah, I'll share it in my next video. So thanks everyone. Have a great week, and I'll see you next time. Bye everyone.